Creatine shits.
Creatine shits?
Oh, well, that demonstrates an inside knowledge of the product. It shows that I'm not just mentioning it, I actually use it.
courier was carrying some cargo from San Francisco. What was his name?
It's a woman, not a man. Well, we don't know if she's headed to Cannon City, but put a report in immediately if you see her.